Hello dear friends, welcome back. In my last video I uploaded a video which consisting of solutions for MCQ and also 1 mark of SSLC midterm examination 25-26. Let us continue our discussions. So I am going to take the 2 mark questions here. So now the first question from the 2 mark section is like this. What is a composite number? What do you mean by composite number? Prime and composite number. If any number has exactly two divisors or factors, so it is called as a prime number. Here they are asking about composite. So what is composite? If or any positive integer, a positive integer having more than two factors or divisors also we can say is called composite number. So next question, which is the composite number among 23 and 24? So as we all know, 23 is a prime, it is not divisible by any other number other than 23, but 24 is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, 4, 6, so it has many divisors. Therefore we can say 24 is the composite number among the given number. Very simple and direct question. Now we are moving on to the next one. Prove that 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So we all know this kind of question, especially this year's the complete concept in irrational numbers is consisting of proof of many irrational numbers. So that can be done by using contradiction method. So I am going to take contrary assumption for the given statement. Let us assume 2 plus root 5 is rational. So this implies if it is rational, that can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P comma Q is equal to 1. That means it means that it is a co-prime. There is no common divisors for P and Q. So now root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 2. By taking LCM Q here, I am going to get P minus 2Q. Operation subtraction between two integers is always an integer, and there is an integer in the denominator. We all know integer by integer is a rational number. So therefore that gives root 5 is rational. If I consider the given number as rational, we are ending with root 5 is rational. Is it root 5 is rational? No, this contradicts that. Root 5 is irrational. So therefore our assumption is wrong. Therefore 2 plus root 5 is irrational. So next question. So solve this by using elimination method. Very simple one. So I am going to solve question A here. 2x plus y is equal to 8. 3x minus y is equal to 7. By taking sum of these two equations, I am going to get y and y get cancelled. 5x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 5 and x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, we are going to get by substituting the first equation 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 8. So after this I am going to get y is equal to 8 minus 6, y is equal to 2. So these are the solution for the first question. Now let us take the second one here. So I am going to solve the second question B here. Now the next question, there is an alternate choice for this. You can attend any one. Now I am going to take the second one in the same question. On comparing the ratios of the coefficients of these two equations, the equations are given here. We need to check whether it is intersecting or parallel or this. By seeing the question, we can say we can say A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to 12. Similarly, A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to 24. By taking A1 by A2, I am going to get 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. By taking B1 by B2, I am going to get 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. Now by considering C1 by C2, I am going to get 12 by 24, that is also equal to 1 by 2. So what it indicates? That shows that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1. If this condition arises, then whether it is intersect or parallel or coincident, we all know whenever all the coefficients are proportional, it represents coincident line. Therefore, given pair of equation represents coincident lines. So this is what a 2-mark question from the chapter linear equation. So now I am moving on to the next question, that is from arithmetic progression. So in this also there are 2 questions, so we have to solve any one. So I am going to take the first one now. So it is given, find whether 77 is a term of the given AP. AP is like this. So if we keep on writing this AP, is it possible to get 77? For that I am going to consider A as 1, D is 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. So we have to consider AN as that required term. ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ AN ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ AN ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Now ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it gives A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 77. On simplification substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus N, sorry I wrote N plus 1 here, it is N minus 1. So N minus 1 into D is 4 is equal to 77. So on simplification 4N minus 4 is equal to 77. 4N, 1 is positive, minus 4 is negative, it gives minus 3 is equal to 77. 4N is equal to 77 plus 3. So 4N is equal to 80. N is equal to 80 by 4. N is equal to how much? 20. So there are 20 terms in the AP and 20th term is 77. Therefore we can say, ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, whether it is there, if we get an N as a integer value, positive integral value, we can say 77 is the term of given AP. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಎಷ್ಟನೇದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ 20th term is 77 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು. Now I am going to take the another question in the same. So in an arithmetic progression, the common difference is 3 and its 10th term is 32. Find the first term. Very simple question. A10 means A plus 9D is equal to 32. D is given 9 into 3, that is equal to 32. A plus 27 is equal to 32. A is equal to 32 minus 27. So A is equal to 5 is the required answer. Therefore first term of AP, first term of given AP is 5. This is the answer for question number 20. Now I'm moving on to the question number 21, that is from the chapter triangles. So very simple one from the BPT. What is given here? Two parallels are given. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. What I have to prove? I need to prove another pair is parallel, that is EF is parallel to QR. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು BPT ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ DE ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? DE ಮತ್ತೆ OQ, that comes in this triangle. ಯಾವ್ದದು? That is POQ. So I am going to consider in triangle POQ. ಏನಿದೆ DE is parallel to OQ. So by applying BPT, I can write, so PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. I am going to consider this as equation 1. Similarly, another pair of parallels you can observe here. There is another pair of parallels. ಇದು ಇವೆರಡು parallel ಯಾವ triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That comes in the triangle POR. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾನು? DF is parallel to OR. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು BPT ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು BPT ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? PD divided by DO is equal to PF divided by FR. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ 1 and 2 ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ PD ಮತ್ತೆ DO ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. This implies from 1 and 2 I will get PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. ಅಂದ್ರೆ sides of the triangle PQ and PR are divided in the same ratio. ಆ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? EF. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಒಂದೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಬೈ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ BPT ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? that should be parallel to the third side. Therefore I can say EF is parallel to BC. So this completes the proof of QR, not BC, that is parallel to QR, sorry. Right, this is the solution for the question number 21. Now I am going to take question number 22. Again it is from BPT. Very simple one. It is given parallel. Whenever the parallel is drawn in a triangle, the sides are divided in the same ratio. Therefore by BPT I can write x divided by x minus 4 is equal to x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. On cross multiplication I am going to get x into x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4. On simplification, x square minus 2x is equal to x square minus 16 by using the identity a plus b, a minus b. So x is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2, x is equal to 8 is the solution for question number 22. Now I am going to take question number 23. So in question number 23, a teacher has 96 pen and 128 pencil. Find the maximum number. Maximum ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, that should be HCF, and also equal distribution. Whenever the word largest, maximum, equal distribution ಬಂದಾಗ we need to find out HCF. Therefore required answer for this is HCF of 96, 128. For this I am going to find out the prime factorization of 96 and 128. So 96 is divisible by 2, 2 4s are 2 8s are, 2 2s are 2 4s are, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Here it is 2 6s are 2 4s are, 2 3s are 2s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, and 2 2s are. You can write 2 1s are. So what is this? 96 can be written as 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5. 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 1. 128 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So that is 2 to the power 7. Therefore HCF is equal to common factor with least power, that is 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So what is the maximum number of students? Maximum number of students is 32. That is the required answer for this question. Now question number 24. Two students A and B together have 25 marbles. Each of them lost 5 marbles. The product of marbles they have now is 50. Form a quadratic equation in the standard form to find out the number of marbles. No need to find out the solution here, we need to form a quadratic equation. So let us take, let number of marbles with A be X, then with B will become, already total ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 25 ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ X ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ X ಕಳೆದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಏನ ಹತ್ರ B ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So each of them lost 5. Now A as X minus 5, B as 25 minus X minus 5, that is 20 minus X. Now the product of the marbles I have, so this implies the product of these two, that is X minus 5 and 20 minus X will be equal to 50. Now simplify this product to get a quadratic equation. So X into 20 will become 20X. So X into 20 will become 20X. X into X minus X square. 5 into this is minus 100. Minus into minus plus 5X minus 50 will be equal to 0. So this gives minus X square. 20 plus 5 is 25X minus 150 equal to 0. By writing in the standard form, I will get X square minus 25X. So plus 150 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation for this question. I hope this helps you. So now in my next video I am going to discuss 3 mark section. Thank you.